Hi, I'm Anna, and in this video, I hang out with my nieces.
Hi, I'm Kate.
And I'm Claire.
We get some projects done outside.
I fed a pig.
And I made dinner.
Our first stop with the girls was to make some new friends. So this right here is
Ray the donkey.
oh my gosh, so adorable and friendly. She would let us like pet her and feed her. She was just so like, oh gosh, she's a donkey, so she's just adorable. You know, the girls are just feeding her some apples and she just comes and nibbles up and oh, just adorable. Look at Ralph, totally a natural at feeding a donkey. Maybe we should get one.
And these are the three goats who, they weren't the friendliest goats. But,
They were shy. It's not that they weren't friendly, they were just shy.
They were shy, but they were really fun to watch. And their names are Padme, Luke, and Leia.
And once it starts to rain, they hightail it for that house back there because they're prima donnas and they don't like to get wet. Leia did let Claire feed her until she ran away with her family. And piece de resistance.
Yoda the pig.
Oh my gosh, who would think a pig would be, like seriously, he's so adorable. A little face right there, look at him. Oh, he was just very, probably the gentlest of all the animals. And he doesn't even like touch your fingers when you feed him. He just grabs his little snack, all his little snacks, and he's just, like, it looks like he's smiling. Like, look at him. Aha! So he was just adorable. I just want to say thank you, Courtney, for letting us come visit your pets on your adorable farm. The girls had such a blast. And here are the Velveteen rabbits.
This is Lando and Boba. And there's one other bunny, you'll see him in the background, which is Ben Kenobi. If you haven't noticed, all the animals are named after Star Wars characters.
Yeah, that's not Courtney's idea. Completely her husband Mike's.
So we have 5 stepping stones and 2 styles of mandalas. Mandala. So you guys can decide who's doing 3 and who's doing 2.
Okay.
And I have your names, so you guys can sign your work.
Sounds good.
And then we have the paints. So I picked shades of blue and this kind of aqua teal, different, and black and white, cream. And then they have these little dabbers. So when you do it, you just start like really thin coats. So like even if you do like just do like dab a little bit, and you can still see the like the stone underneath, and just go over it later. And there's tape, so you guys can tape the mandala right to the stone. Okay. All right?
Yep.
Oh, and you can squirt your paints onto the plates, and then you can even mix colors and whatever. All right?
Sounds good.
Okay, so pick a mandala.
I'll do 3.
You're gonna do 3? Okay, so you'll do every other, I think every other. So someone has to pick that one because it's every other.
I thrifted this lamp to take it from an indoor lamp to an outdoor solar light. I thought it'd be a fun project for the girls to do.
So we allowed the girls to open up the box and take out all the solar lamps. Next, I took apart the lamp, removed all the wiring, and anything that wasn't going to be required for the actual solar lamp. All the extra pieces, we're going to keep them just for any future projects. Maybe.
E6000 is my go-to for anything that I want to glue permanently. So start off some E6000. And here I'm just taping it together because I didn't want to stand there holding it the whole time. Hand it over the E6000 to Claire and let her glue in the bottom support. That piece is pretty heavy down there and it just would prevent, we wanted to put it back so the wind doesn't knock over the lamp. We're having Claire do this because she is older and we thought it might not be a project for someone as young as Kate.
And then she used our Ryobi glue gun, put some hot glue around the edges to make sure it just stays in place while everything sets.
And then we let Claire finish putting it together. Now, as you can see, the base is brown and then the light's black, so it doesn't really match. Well, everyone got a crash course in spray painting, and we spray painted the entire thing a satin black. Then we put all the pieces together to see if it's going to work. I don't know if we checked it even before, but look, the light works. Awesome. To make it look a little more outdoorsy, I added some jute roping. And I think it turned out really sweet. Earlier in the week, I picked up some plants for our back patio. Both girls like gardening, so I let them be in charge of repotting all the plants. They did a fantastic job. The plants look adorable in their new little home. Not only were the girls in charge of repotting the plants, they were also in charge of styling them on the back patio. Adding the stones gives the planters a finished look. It was really cute watching them figure out which plant looked best where.
Anna wanted to do something creative with these blue pots, so she came up with the idea of stacking them in a tower. So that meant that I had to figure out how to do this. So I created some bases for them to be supported, and I had a metal rod in the middle just to kind of line them up. Once it was all assembled, Anna, Claire, and Kate, they filled them with stones, soil, and put some plants in there to make it look all nice and pretty.
Claire enjoys cooking, and she decided that she wanted to make us burrito bowls for dinner.
It was a great way to finish off the weekend, and we thought that her cooking skills were amazing. We really loved her food.
Thanks for watching our video
And make sure to subscribe.
and give it a thumbs.
See you soon.
I'm the ugly of the three ducklings. Just letting you know. You don't
Right
have
on
to-
set.
I did yell that once because he was being a dork. Okay. And we get some projects done outside.
Oh.
You fed a pig?
Okay, again. See, isn't it funny? You're like, I have to say 3 words, and you're still takes. Okay.
Like you're interviewing me. No, stop.